Dexter out here at his first storm. I don't think he knows what's going on. I'm being careful. What is it, Dex? Look at that. What is it? Oh, he's got the zoomies. I don't know where he went. I'm sorry. Where he goes. He's got the zoomies. The rain's got him acting crazy. Go, Zoomie. Go, Dex. Get it, Dex. He's trying to catch a leaf and run with a leaf. He knows his boundary, guys. His boundary is right at the end of the yard. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. What was that? He's just brave because I'm out here. If I was in the house, he'd be flying in the house. Give you a few more minutes to watch him with his crazy zoomies. Look at him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Lightning. I think this is his first thunderstorm. It hadn't hardly rained around here. Say, well, that scared the pee-pee out of me. But here I go again, getting the zoomies. Guys, he'll be coming around this bush in a second. There he goes. I told you. I can't keep up with him. Whoa, there he goes like a thoroughbred horse. Get it, Dex. Get it, Dex. Dex, we gotta go in. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah, come on, baby. Oh, my goodness. Come on, baby. He's too excited about what's going on. Come on, baby. I'm going in. Let's see how long he stays waiting on me. Oh my gosh, he's gone. He's still got the zoomies. I can't. He's too full of it. He hears the sirens. Come on, come on. You be safe. Be safe. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, we're in here. Nice and safe. Say bye, guys. Say I'm never good boy. Say I'm wild. Dex. Dex. Tell him you're wild. Say I'm wild. Now he's going to look out the window. Bye, guys.